Federal High Court sitting in Abakaliki, Ebonyi State capital, has disqualified the governor of Ebonyi State, Engineer David Umahi, and his younger brother, Chief Austin Umahi, from contesting the senatorial election as the candidates of the All Progressive Congress for Ebonyi South. Umahi's younger brother, Chief Austin Umahi, has emerged as the winner of the first primary election conducted by the APC, but after losing at the APC presidential primary election, the Ebonyi State chapter of the party cancelled the earlier primary and rescheduled another one, where the governor picked the ticket. The rescheduled Ebonyi South APC senatorial primary election was later held at the Afikpo North Local Government Council, with Umahi clinching the party senatorial ticket after other contestants, including his younger brother, stepped down for him. In a suit filed by the governor asking the court to compel INEC to publish his name as the APC senatorial candidate for Ebonyi South, the judge, Justice Fatsun Rehman, cited Section 115 of the Electoral Act, which forbids a person from standing two different primary elections in the same year. The judge said in his judgment that such a person, if found claiming to participate in two primary elections, risks 2 years jail term. The judge declared that the authentic senatorial candidate of the APC for Ebonyi South is Mrs. Han Agom Eze, since initial winner Austin Umahi withdrew from the race. A request for the transfer of trial of former Abia Governor Senator Orji to High Court in Lagos Division has been rejected by Federal High Court in Abuja. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) had applied to the court that the 7.1 billion naira money laundering charge against Kalu and two others be transferred to the Lagos Division of the court, in line with an earlier ruling of the Court of Appeal that Lagos was the proper forum for the trial of the case. Justice Inyang Eko, who ruled on the application on Friday, July 22nd, rejected the application on grounds that only the court chief judge possesses the power to transfer such a case under Section 98 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015. ECHO held that the prosecution had twice written the chief judge requesting for the transfer, and which request the chief judge declined. It noted that the prosecution also abide by the decision of the court chief judge, or in the alternative, the prosecution was at liberty to return to the Supreme Court to seek a review of its earlier order direct that the case be re-heard by the Federal High Court. The judge, who said that granting the request to transfer the case to Lagos would breach the provision of the Section 235 of the 1999 Constitution and amount to a challenge of finality and supremacy of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. ECHO concluded by saying that EFCC's application was an abuse of court process. It then ordered lawyers to the prosecution, Rotimi Jacobs, to show cause within 7 days why it should not be disqualified from further prosecuting the case.